Okay, it's my last night in Kimberley, and who am I with?
Yeah, with Tinashe.
Tinashe, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
And who's your team?
Oh, I'm supporting Uruguay.
Yeah, show me that paraphernalia there.
Okay.
Show me that.
With my bunch of keys, I've got this.
That's the Uruguay. That's the Uruguay keychain. Where'd you get that from?
Oh, I had some Uruguay players here. I think some few days ago, and I just like the way they play.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
It's so interesting.
You've never heard of the Uruguayan team before, really?
Yeah, really. The fact that I'm also in Kimberley and they are also staying in Kimberley, I appreciate that very well, and I'm so proud of them.
Good. So you'll be cheering for them all the way to the World Cup final?
All the way to the finals, actually.
Great, great. But Bafana is tomorrow night, and you hope for Bafana to win?
Yeah, of course, I sympathize with Bafana, but I'm not that impressed with their performance.
But you are impressed with Uruguay?
Sorry?
You are impressed with Uruguay?
Indeed, I'm impressed with their performance.
And everyone in the town loves them?
Yeah, they do love them, they appreciate them. The reception that we're giving them, it really reflects that we really appreciate Uruguay team.
Lovely, lovely. Well, I'm here and I'm going to be looking forward to your service because I'm waiting for the midnight bus.
Okay.
And I'm gonna eat and drink and watch the game, Spain Honduras. So it's going to be a good night. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much.